Can leggings curl my hair overnight? Let's find out.
Is that what you had on your head yesterday?
Yep. It's a pair of leggings. Let's do it together. I'm gonna follow the same method as the spiral heatless curls. Is it? Yeah, I think it's backwards like this, to have this in the back. This is very fascinating. All right, so I have section split. I'm gonna take this out of the way, just tie it off with a hair elastic. And I think they said to make it easier, you kind of get it out of the way, like this, the top part of the leggings, and do the same method. So a section in the front, section kind of in the back, and I'm going to essentially braid around the legging. So over, under, back around. Now I'm gonna start adding hair to that section, to the first one, over, under, adding hair to the back section, over, under. Just gonna repeat this step several times. And then just bring this down. I'm gonna take that hair tie and tie it off. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Bring this back around. Oh my gosh, I don't know why this is making me laugh. The things people come up on the internet, it's so incredible. All right, I'm gonna finish it on this side also. Okay, so I see them taking basically the legs, the leg portion of the leggings, and you kind of bring it over the hair, like so. And then you take this portion of the leggings, like that. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Okay, I can see this. I think this could work. It might be very uncomfortable to sleep in, but maybe not. We'll see, right? Look at that. I'm ready for bed. Actually, first, gotta take off my makeup. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty, let's take this off. I will say one thing. It wasn't comfortable to sleep in this. I think just because it's all kind of surrounding the back of the head and the side of the head. So if you're a tummy sleeper, maybe you'll have a good time sleeping, but a positive, the leggings kept sliding down my face, like so. So kind of gave a nice eye mask at throughout the night. Let's take them off. I'm really excited. Oh, gotta be gentle here. Can't just pull them off. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh boy. As Andre says. Oh boy. Yep. It's gonna be a crinkly mess down here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh. All right, first impression, not impressed whatsoever. I think because the leggings, they don't really have shape to them. I think this is better for people that have a lot of hair, thick hair and long hair. That way you don't have these kind of crinkles in them. I think like right here and then around. And then also this at the top, it's kind of like slicked down to my scalp. It's okay. I think it will fall out nicely. But it's not as impressive as like the curling rod, the silk one that I have. Because I don't have this issue next morning, this right here, where it just looks frizzy and kind of just slicked down to my face and scalp. Okay, we'll see how this kind of falls out, but not really impressed with this. This is what the hair looks like at least 6-7 hours later. It's fallen out nicely, but it's still the overall result. It's frizzy, it's not consistent. It just looks, in my opinion, not the best for my hair type. My hair, it's very fine. The texture is very, very fine. I don't have a lot of hair. It's a little bit longer. It looks like I have a lot of hair with the different styles that I do, but I really don't. I lost a lot of hair during postpartum shedding. So I do have a lot of baby hair, but my hair right now, it's a little more stringy towards the bottom because of the postpartum shedding. So this type of hair that I have right now, it looks very sparse and just looks very, it just doesn't look good towards the bottom. So my coral with this method, yes, it works, but I think it works best on people that have coarse hair, thick hair, or just fine hair that they have a lot of hair of it and longer hair. For my hair type and my hair length, I think this is what works best, having some type of tube to hold your shape in place while you sleep. So that way it doesn't get disrupted and disturbed while you sleep. Another thing is I do really, really, really like the silk instead of something like this, which is what, nylon? What's the material of this? I'm pretty sure it's nylon. But everybody has a pair of leggings, you know? So that's kind of the best part about it is you have these in your closet, at least 1 or 2 pairs that you could use overnight on your hair. So yes, you can get results. The problem comes in when you don't have a lot of hair. All of, like Andre said, the anomalies really start to show. The creasing, the pattern, it looks a little rough. It's like a rough and tumble in my hair. With people that have thicker hair, coarse hair, a lot of hair, it's not as visible because you have a lot of hair to hide the inconsistencies. Thank you, Andre. So I think if you're looking for heatless hair, a heatless hair method that will be most consistent, something like this, a rod that will keep your hair in place when you sleep overnight. And this one in particular, this is the heatless hair curl ribbon. It's made out of 100% silk. I found this one to be the best overall. Your hair is not as frizzy. Your hair has really beautiful shape. It has consistency, especially with my hair type, because you see all the discrepancies in the hair, the inconsistencies, the kinks, the creasing. It doesn't look good. So something like this does help keep its shape throughout the day, throughout the night when you actually have the rod in your hair, and then as the day goes on, the way it falls out, it actually looks like you used a tool to create those waves. So in my opinion, I think this is better for people with fine hair, more thin hair, or even medium to normal hair amount. I will say, I think my favorite part, I think I mentioned this in the bathroom, my favorite part about this was the legging. When you create kind of like the cap around your entire hairstyle, I think that's what really kind of sold it to me. Like I want to try it again and really play with different ways I style it. But I did appreciate the cap to kind of hold the entire look in place. Yes, it was uncomfortable, but it kept everything in place. Another thing is, the leggings, it kept sliding down over my face. Macy and I were talking about it. She had the same thing. It kind of created an eye mask throughout the night, so it helped her sleep better. But yeah, I do appreciate that you can create something with leggings overnight. And I did do this on dry hair because that's what most of the people suggested to do. I personally prefer my hair to be slightly damp. I just missed it the night before I wrap my hair around the rod, and I get the best results and they last a really long time. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.